Hi friends, Larry Huffman here with the Motorhome Deal of the Century. We've got them right here. They are incredible. Look at these low mileage, beautiful machines. Completely custom painted and tagged by meth taggers of East LA. Go! With factory air. Look at this. No problem at all. No shifter because I've got the shifter right here. And look at the price. We got six of these beautiful machines. $99 down and $99 a month for only 100 years. Let's deal. We've got the Motorhomes. Look at them right here. They're all incredible and they're all ready to sell right now. Come on down. Would I stand here and lie to you?
Whoa.
5, 4, 3, 2, 13 was in the back of the motorhome. That's why they're red flagging it. Bill Altfather I think, went back to use the bathroom.
Bob Basile, a Motorhome Demolition Derby. What gave you the idea? How many have you done?
This is our third one here at the OC Fair and Event Center, and it came about because 3 years ago the OC Fair had a theme called Think Big, and we'd already been doing demolition derbies, but they wanted something bigger. They thought about trucks. I tried putting together some rules for trucks, but that was being a little problematic. And then I was talking with a wrecking yard guy, and he says, you know, I've got a stockpile of motorhomes, and my light bulb went off in my head. I said, they're going to love that. So I went back to the fair here at Orange County, and I said, what about a motorhome derby, Think Big? And they loved it. And we put one on here with Beach Cities Towing, and it was an instant success. It hit YouTube in 30 seconds. And this is our third one, and it's tremendous. The mayhem, the destruction out on the arena. We get some of these motorhomes all the way down to the chassis.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Take most of the dangerous stuff out, but the sink will come out, the toilet sometimes. I mean, it's really nuts. They packed the place. There'll be standing room only, over 5,000 people here tonight.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Outstanding, girl. What was it like?
That's so much fun, you wouldn't believe it.
Now, how many of these have you done?
This, I think, is my third or fourth.
So third or fourth, and you're...
Motorhome. I've probably done 20, 30 regular car derbies. My first win, though.
Congratulations. You knew you had it licked from the first. You told me you were going to win.
I was going to drive through his motorhome, and I did.
Third place. How was it?
It was awesome. I loved it. And if I'm going to be taken out by anybody, at least it was by my dad.
And that was incredible. Head over tea kettle.
Yeah, it was.
Ooh, I'm sensing some hostility here.
Second place. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
How many of these you do?
This is our 6th one now, I think. It's good.
So the 2011 Orange Crush Motorhome Demolition Derby sees history made. A young woman, 26 years old, out of Long Beach. She is a funeral home director and an embalmer, wins overall the Motorhome Demolition Derby. Louise Johnson did it. The crowd went crazy, especially the females in the crowd. So from the Orange County Fairgrounds in Costa Mesa, California, I'm Larry Huffman. Thanks for watching.
Oh, yes.